going to talk about the concept of taxonomic categories. If you look at your surrounding, you can see n number of organisms or varieties of organisms like cats, dogs, cows, birds, butterflies, mosquitoes, beetles, etc. And if I ask you to tell about any one of these organisms, you will start to describe it, or you can tell n number of characters about these organisms. Even you can tell the similarities and differences among these organisms. So based on these characters or based on these similarities and differences among the organisms, and organisms can be grouped into various categories like birds, beetles, cows, dogs, amphibians, fishes, etc. So single organisms can be arranged in different categories. So if we take an example, butterfly. Butterfly is an animal, so that's why it belongs to Animalia. Butterflies do not have notochord cord, that's why it belongs to Non-chordata. Butterflies are insects, that's why it belongs to the group Insects. So single butterfly is grouped into various categories, and each category represents a taxonomic arrangement of that particular organism. That's why category is also called as taxonomic categories. And you all know that there are 7 taxonomic categories, that is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, and kingdom. So all these taxonomic categories together called as taxonomic hierarchy. So taxonomic hierarchy consisting of 7 taxonomic categories, and each category represents a particular rank or the level, and sometimes it is commonly referred as taxon. The plural is taxon. So sometimes each category, that is taxonomic category, is commonly referred as taxon. We'll learn detail about the taxon and category by taking an example. So if we take an example of birds, the taxon of the bird is aves and the category is class. So category is class and the taxon of bird is aves. So you can tell that taxonomic category or the category is an abstract term that is used to represent the level or the rank of the organism, whereas the taxon is a biological term that is used to represent the category of that particular organism. So that is about the taxon and the category. Anyhow, each and every organisms are classified mainly based on these 7 taxonomic category. So we'll discuss this 7 taxonomic category one by one. Let me start with the lowest level, that is species. What do you mean by species? Species are the group of organisms with the fundamental similarities and they can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. So members of the same species will share lots of common character or fundamental or basic character, and these individuals can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. So the commonness or the common character or specific character will be more in the species when compared to the higher taxonomic category. Example for the species is Panthera tigris, which is a scientific name of tiger, and Solanum tuberosum, which is a scientific name of potato. In this, tigris and tuberosum represents the specific epithet or species. So here the tiger belongs to the genus Panthera. So here Panthera and Solanum represents the genera or the genus, which is a next higher taxonomic category or next level of taxonomic category. What do you mean by genus then? Genera or genus means a group of related species or similar species grouped together to form a genus or a genera. So in the genus or genera, the species of the same genus will share lots of common character when compared to the species of the other genus, because it belongs to the one genus. So those species of one genus will share lots of common character. For example, Panthera tigris, Panthera pallidus, Panthera leo. So all these 3 animals are belongs to the genus Panthera. So here Panthera tigris is a tiger, Panthera pallidus is a leopard, Panthera leo is a lion. So though they are 3 different species, but they are belongs to the same genera, that is Panthera. So here the Panthera is a genus or genera which consisting of 3 species. So if we take an example of plant, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum nigrum, Solanum melongena. So all these three different species belongs to the same genera, that is Solanum. So in this three different species shows lots of common character because it belongs to the same genera. So that's why the species of the same genus shares lots of common character. So that is about the genus. Next higher level category is family. Family is a group of related genus or genera grouped together to form a family. In the family, the number of similar character is less when compared to genus and species, or common character shared by the family is less when compared to genus and species. Example for that is genus Panthera, which consisting of tiger, leopard and lion, is put along with the Felis, which consisting of cat species, to form a family Felidae, or family Felidae consisting of two genus, that is Panthera and Felis. If we take an example of plant, the genus Solanum is put along with the genus Petunia and genus Datura under the family Solanaceae, or Solanaceae family consisting of three genus, that is Solanum, Petunia and Datura. So that is about the family. Next higher taxonomic category is order. Order is an assembly of family or similar family grouped together to form a order. Again, in the order, the number of common character is still less when compared to family, genus and species. So as you move up in the taxonomic category, the common character or specificity or the commonness decreases. As you move down the taxonomic category, the common character or specificity increases. So the common character in the case of order is less when compared to family, genus and species. The example for the order is Felidae, which consisting of big cats and the cat, along with the Canidae, which consisting of dogs, are put under the order Carnivora. In the case of example of plant, the Solanaceae, that is the family Solanaceae, along with the Convolvulaceae, is put under the order Polynomials. Next higher level taxonomic category is class. Class means related orders or related order grouped together to form a class. When compared to order, family, genus and species, the common character in the case of class is very less. Example for that is class Mammalia, which consisting of order like Carnivora, having big cats, cats and dogs. Next Primata, having gibbons, monkeys and gorillas, and Proboscidean, that is having elephants. And many other order are placed in the class Mammalia. So class Mammalia consisting of many order. Example for that is Carnivora, Primata, Proboscideans and many other order comes under the class Mammalia. So that is about the class. Next higher category is phylum or division. It is called phylum in the case of animal, and in the case of plant it is called the division. So phylum consisting of a group of class or related class grouped together to form a phylum, and phylum shares very few common character or the fundamental character, and the example for that is phylum Chordata, which consisting of class like class Mammalia, aves, reptilia, amphibians, etc. Many such class placed under the phylum Chordata. So that is about the phylum. Next higher level of taxonomic category or highest level of taxonomic category, that is kingdom. Kingdom consisting of group of phylum. Animal belongings to various phylum is grouped under the or placed under the kingdom Animalia. Similarly, plant belongings to the various divisions are placed under the kingdom Plantae. So we have animal kingdom and plant kingdom. Kingdom is the highest taxonomic category and species is the lowest taxonomic category. So that is all about the taxonomic category with the example. I hope this video will be useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.